Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Mahmud. Welcome to the Study for Knowledge. Today's topic is variables. Variables are container for storing data. Creating variable. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable. A variable is creating the moment you first assign the value. Example x print x. Let's see what's the result. We see the value. Now go to next step. Variable don't need to be declared with any particular type, and you can even change type after have been set. Uh, this one is a string type. Mahi. This one is string type, and this one integer type. We see the string type. We show the string type because x update first x input the integer type, then x update himself to mahi string type. Casting. If you want to specifically the data type of a value, this can be done with casting. This casting string string type show 3 and integer 3 not 23 3 set equals float float type 3.0. Now you see x print x p print y print z. We see the result. Go on. It's completely work. Now get the type. Next step is get the type. You can got the data type of a value with the type function. Example x equals to 5 and y equals to string. Now just show the print x variable and y variable. Yes, sir. This change is there with type function. Let's see what's the result. They told me what's the integer and what's the string variable. Hope you understand. Single data, single or double quote. A string variable can be declared by using single double quotes. Example, y equals to x equals to 1 equals to mahi also mahi. This is the single or double quote. Case sensitive. Variables name are case sensitive. This will be create two variable. Example, we create two variable name and we store them for, and second one capital I equal to string. We input the string. Let's see nothing, so because we don't print it. I will not overwrite a, not this one. Okay, see you next video. Hope you understand the video. If you understand the video, like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.